In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AirDrop on Windows PC. Now, in order for us to get this done, let's go ahead and basically start from our phone. So I'm going to go ahead and basically just show you what I'm seeing right now from my phone's perspective. So this is how it looks right now. And what we are going to do is just basically try to go over the App Store. And here in the App Store, it's where we are going to do things. I want you to go ahead and click the search bar here, and you're going to go ahead and look for something called AirDrop. All right, so this is what we are going to use. There is also something like this here. I prefer this one. Go ahead and install this one, and once you install it, you can just go ahead and open it. Now, what you are going to do is head over to My Devices. I'm going to click that one, and then we're going to go ahead and choose AirDrop Web. Now, from here, what you are going to do is connect via IP address. You just have to make sure that you and that person basically has the same Wi-Fi internet connection. So in my case, it does. I am on the same Wi-Fi, so I'm going to head over to this particular site. I'm going to head over to my browser and just type here 192.168.1.4 and then 888. So the moment I do that, I should receive something like this. Basically, it's asking me to reconnect to that particular computer. I'm gonna tap accept button, and then if we can head over here, we are on the phone. So basically, we can now go ahead and access the photos. We can click that over there, and you should be able to see here all of the photos of that particular phone. You can go ahead and say, for example, mark something, and then you can go ahead and tap the download option here, and that should be downloaded in your PC, and it's just going to be very convenient, everybody. So for example, if I'm going to click this and I'm going to go ahead and use the WinRAR, there you go. So now I'm able to download the image that was once in my iPhone. And that, everybody, is how you are going to get this done. Hopefully this video helps you out. If you found this video helpful or informative, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. Also, feel free to share in the comments how this video has helped you.